Good afternoon. We are gathered here today to witness the union of Arnel and Shena in holy matrimony. Before we go further, is there anyone here present who objects or knows of any legal impediment or any reason why Arnel and Shena should not be joined in marriage? Since there are none, we shall proceed. Arnel and Shena, in the presence of God, your families, and everyone gathered here today, I ask you to join your hands and express your intention and promises to love each other for life. So please join hands. Kahit one hand lang. Arnel, do you come here of your own free will and accord?
Yes, sir.
Do you take Shena here present as your lawful wife?
Yes, sir.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, sir.
Shena, do you come here of your own free will and accord? Do you take Arnel here present as your lawful husband? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage state of your own free will and voluntarily?
We do your oath.
Arnel and Shena, as you join your hands, you may now pronounce your vow to each other. Let's start with Arnel. Oh, name first of Shena. Start with Shena.
Shenan, I have come here today to ask you to share with me the rest of your life and become my wife. I promise to protect you from all harm, to provide you with all your needs, and to shelter you with my love. I will forever be a faithful husband to you.
I never have before you. I have come here today to offer my love for you and to give myself to you as your wife. I promise to faithful, to stand by you always in times of joy and sorrow, to trust you and to cherish you as my husband.
Now please say together.
Before God and man, we promise to be one heart and soul. From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for ill, and sickness and health, then death do us part. We place ourselves and our life together in the loving hands of God.
Please bring out your rings. Fittingly representing the tie that binds husband and wife. The endless circle, the shape of these rings, symbolizes your union, which is to continue as long as life exists. Please take the rings and put them on each other's ring finger as you say your vow. So let's start with Arnel. You put it on Shena first, on the left.
Shenan Fernando, wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity to you for all years to come.
Now it's Shena's turn.
Arnel,
Left niya.
Arnel, wear this ring as a sign of my life and fidelity to you for all years to come.
Do you, witnesses, attest that Arnel and Shena have indeed freely exchanged marriage promises and are therefore now bound in the bond of marriage? Do your honor. As Arnel and Shena have consented together to marry each other and have witnessed the same before God and men, and have pledged their faith to each other, and have declared the same by joining hands and by receiving rings. Therefore, by the authority vested upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I hereby declare Arnel and Shena husband and wife. So please face your family, Arnel and Shena. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Maru. So, Arnel, you may now kiss the bride. Congratulations. Tagalan nila para picturean nyo na ng
Picturean mo,
maayos.
picturean. Picture ka.
Mga 10 seconds. Nakangiti yung anak niyo.
May baby na, di pa marunong na.
May comment. Oh, congratulations.
Congrats.
Best wishes. Ito ang pinaka-importante ha. So, yung certificate of marriage, isahin natin
Ang
ngayon.
bait ni baby.
Kailangan nyo yung kunin kay Jomay.
Picture din sila,
Mag-usap
ma'am.
lang kayo. Mag-usap kayo ni, ano mamaya.
Kasi na sila, mami.
Sino ang ano nyo, mga witnesses?
Sila lang.
Sila din?
Nagkasakit po yung mga kinuha ko.
Pero napalitan natin.
Okay.
Anong sakit nila? Natrangkaso ba? Madami kasi may trangkaso.
Ako nga rin po, silip
Ako din.
Eh? Ayan, ang papel.
So,
Mabait pala to. Baby.
na lang.
Ganun kayong dalawa.
Sign tapos hintayin nyo na lang yung
Ganun kayong dalawa ng kamay.
Clear ka. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
So, yung witnesses, please. Sir, Mark.